Alrighty guys, I didn't know if I was gonna film this video or not, but I decided that I should film it just to walk you guys through the steps, I guess. I don't know, but this is what I'm doing right now. As of course you've seen the title, I'm gonna be wrapping my car. I already have a couple pieces done. I got the hood done, I got the trunk done, I got the side skirts done, and I also have one front quarter panel done. So I just need to wrap the front bumper, the rear bumper, the mirrors, the sides. I'm gonna keep the roof wrapped black. But yeah, so I didn't know if I wanted to film it because I know it's gonna be time consuming and take a lot of, it would just be like kind of boring to watch, but I also didn't want you guys to think that I just took it to a shop and had them do it for me, because I wanted to do everything on this car by myself. That's just something that I wanted to do since I got this and wanted to do this project. Anyways, without me rambling, let's just start getting to work. Woo! Day 2. This is what you don't want to do. Every time I start that car, it makes me so happy. Done.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Say sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
I mean, look at it, man. Look, you can't argue with that. You can't argue with that. Looks too freaking good. That's it, boys. That's it. Well, this is it. We did it. We made it here, which is awesome. So I'm super excited and happy that this freaking turned out good. I want to do some more like car review type stuff, or just like impressions or whatever comes out, whatever I can get my hands on. So if you guys want to see that, I have a buddy with a supercharged BRZ. I have another guy who builds his Miata, another guy who has a Camaro that it's souped up. So there's a bunch of people that I wanted to do car videos on. If you guys want to see that, definitely put it down in the comments. Alrighty guys, that's gonna do it for me. That's gonna be it. Thank you for watching and commenting and liking my video. It's awesome to see you guys actually watch and like be connected with this build, asking me questions about how I did it or where I got it. I love doing that. If you guys want to see anything else, definitely let me know. But I think that's gonna do it for the video. So thank you guys. Alrighty, that's gonna be it. I'm done talking, I'm done rambling. Got more stuff coming soon for this car, so be ready. I know it's been like a month in between me posting. It's just because I'm a busy guy, you know what I mean? So I got stuff to do. So that's gonna be it. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, smash, you know how it goes. But I'll catch you in the next video.